Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You begin by heating oil until it shimmers, then add 1 tsp mustard seeds. Listen for the pop. This releases essential oils. Once done, add chopped onion, garlic, and ginger and sauté until translucent so sugars develop. Next, stir in 1-2 tablespoon curry powder or paste and cook 30-45 seconds. This blooms the spices and prevents raw bitterness. Make sure to keep the pan moderate heat so nothing burns, because that will make the sauce harsh. Now deglaze the pan with 1/2 cup broth or water, scraping the fond. Those brown bits are concentrated flavor. Once incorporated, pour in 1 can 400 ml coconut milk and stir slowly to emulsify fat and liquid. This prevents split sauce. Bring to a gentle simmer and cook 10-15 minutes so the flavors marry and the sauce thickens naturally. If you want thicker sauce, simmer longer while stirring. If too thick, add small splashes of broth until you reach the texture you prefer. To finish, taste and balance. Add 1 tsp lime juice or vinegar to brighten and season with salt. Acid lifts coconut's richness. If the curry feels flat, 1 teaspoon sugar or 1 tablespoon yogurt rounds sharpness and smooths heat. For texture, simmer briefly to reach final thickness, then remove from heat so the coconut fat settles evenly. If the sauce splits, do not panic. Remove from heat and whisk in 1 tablespoon of hot broth slowly. Then return to low heat and stir to re-emulsify.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.